Hi friends, this is Prime Minister YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V21e 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can hide pattern line in your phone Vivo V21e 5G. While you put your pattern, you will see the line tracking. That is, the pattern is tracking and it's showing when you draw it. So if you want to hide this pattern line, then you can do it. For that, go to the settings in your phone and click on security and click on this gear icon against screen lock, and you can see make pattern visible. It is already turned on, so pattern is visible now. If you turn off this pattern is not visible now. Put lock screen and try to open with your pattern. Now if you draw, only empty line will be showing. There will be no line when you track it. Okay, so you can confidently unlock your phone in front of other people or in front of your friends or in the public. Okay, so no one can easily trace your pattern. If you turn on, then you will have that line tracking. So if you put it in public or in front of others, then they will easily identify if they watch you. Okay, so it is better to use make pattern visible turned off. Now it is turned off and it will not be showing when you put your pattern. That is, you can just you can do it fast and no one can easily identify it. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.